So hello, we have here a Dell Inspiron 14 with no power issue. So this unit has a water damage. I recently worked on this card. This card has a short circuit on 1 volt line. So I also replaced the high side MOSFET because it got damaged also. So let's confirm again. Let's go to our thermal camera. So I ordered a replacement chip. So it arrives today. But unfortunately we don't have a BGA machine, so we will replace this chip using hotairgun. So I hope you will enjoy the process of working on this motherboard. So let's go ahead and replace this one. Okay, right now I hook DC supply. Then first we have to test if we still have a short on our 1.0 line. Okay, we're good. Now let's power it up. Okay. Okay. The fan is spinning. Okay, we have our 1 volts. So I will assemble this and let's try it. We got a display. Okay, so it's now time to test. I pre-assembled the motherboard and the LCD. This is the chip that we replaced. So I put also the SSD. Right. So as we can see, we saw the logo. Yes. It's all okay now. I assembled the unit. It's all done. As we can see, our replacement chip using hot air is successful. So thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.